In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your account inside of Google Play Games. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up your Google Play Games. Now, for the first time, you've probably got the option to sign in with your Google account here, but we can go ahead and click on the drop down menu, and this is going to load up all your Google accounts. So now from here, just go ahead and choose an account you would like to use. So I'm going to choose my account here, TutorialWiz, then click continue. Now what this is going to do, this is going to log us in. So from here, I'm just going to click on allow. But if you already are signed in, what we can do is click onto profile. Now once you're inside your profile, if we go ahead and click on that little drop down menu again, you're going to see a list of all your accounts here. So just go ahead and choose on the one you'd like to switch to, like so. So yeah, that's basically how to change your account inside of Google Play Games.